Have faith in me.
Yeah, of course.
The semifinals will be first to 2 points.
Let it rip!
Divine Bellfire is swooping in, without out of steam.
Ha! We've got all the power with the Strike!
A jaw-dropping counterattack from Pandora sends Bellfire flying!
Survivor finish. Point standings 1-0.
Quadra sails through and...
That's weird. She got the first point, but doesn't look very happy about it, see?
The second battle rages on, and Twister Pandora is at it again!
Go! Go! You can't... Now fly, Bellfire! Fly! Flash! Cast it into the abyss, Bellfire!
Divine Bellfire.
It should destroy itself this time.
That's what you want me to do? Just wait?
Correct. It's the ideal way for Twister Pandora to beat its opponent. If it were me out there with Pandora, I'd win! If it were me out there with Pandora, I'd win!
Huh? When I count to 4, you're done for!
Quadra declared her famous...
1! Let it rip!
Twister Pandora once again starts off heading to center. Not the same old strats! Pandora's making the first attack this time! Trading strikes back and forth with neither side showing any signs of stopping! You wanted a show, folks? Well, you sure got one!
Let's show them what we're made of! Pandora! Bellfire!
Bellfire is sent flying!
This is the power of Pandora!
Both blades are clashing like an all-you-can-clash buffet!
I won!
Twister Pandora bursts just an instant before Bellfire hits the floor! The winner is the Dark Prince, Bellizora!
Who'd run from you? You'll be the one fleeing next time.